Charlie individual.
Two individuals and they're digging around on the ground. It looks like he appears to be covering something up in the road.
He's on the east side of the road.
Gotcha. And 1510, there's a child just outside of that tent. The individual wearing white is underneath that cover. Roger, if you identify a motorcycle with a barrel on the back of it or a barrel near it, that's the other individual that used the branch to cover whatever he was covering there. Break.
Roger, my only concern is that child right now. Once he gets away, and if we get 429, I'm good with it.
Roger, I understand the child would be a concern. I understand that. Break. Group, this entire group has been participating in diverting traffic away from that site where we saw them covering up the ID tracks. Can you confirm?
Yeah. Roger. Absolutely. What we're really waiting on now is 429 and for the child to move.
All right, those individuals are now over by where that ID is suspected.
Yep.
1510, there's two individuals, one on a motorcycle, one off a motorcycle in the vicinity of where we suspected that ID.
They're digging it up.
Hey, can you confirm if they're digging that?
They appear to be working on the road, yes, they're digging around that same area. And they've positioned themselves on the opposite side of the motorcycle from the friendlies that suffered the ID attack, and they're definitely digging in the road.
Is that a kid? Damn it!
And the kid appears to be carrying something over into the vicinity. He's handing them something, and they're digging in that road.
Okay, go in, kid. Go in, kid. Go in, kid.
Push.
All right, we're at 2700.
Yep.
And individuals moving with a wheelbarrow up to that same area.
Got that guy with the wheelbarrow stop.
Hey, Fermi, looks like he went down to get water. He's continuing back down to get more water or something. The child brought something to those two individuals that appear to be digging in the road, handed it to him, and moved off at this point.
Big break. 1015. Are you confident that you have PID on these individuals? We see the two digging and with the wheelbarrow in the center.
Roger. I believe that a hostile act. That is in the same areas that we saw them cover something up.
Roger, can you accept
Roger, good copy. They're happy for us.
Oh! Never mind!
Break. It just detonated by itself.
Alpha Wind 180.
They just blew themselves up.